Hello students, I again welcome you all for our course Technical Accounting. Previous lecture we covered unit number 2's part A, where we discussed these points. First one is the computerized accounting concept. Second one is the advantages of computerized accounting system, and the third one, difference between human accounting and computerized accounting. Now, in part B, we discussed introduction to accounting software, Tally, different versions of Tally, and features or characteristics of Tally. We also discussed some advantages of Tally. So, let's start with the introduction to Tally. Tally is versatile and massive software package. It is used by various types of trade and industry and also business organization. Tally software business was set up in 1986, and the founder of Tally business is late S. Goenka, who was also founder of the company Pyotronics Private Limited. That company is basically situated in Bangalore, India. He mentors his son Bharat Goenka in creating software that would handle all the financial accounts for their own company, which is Pyotronics Private Limited. And Bharat Goenka spends a lot of months to develop path-breaking technology. That technology name is Tally. Tally is user-friendly software used to solve all the complicated accounting structure. The Tally's milestone statement is continuously doing the right thing. Friends, Tally is basically computer software industry. It is founded by S. Goenka in Bangalore, and Tally till now served India, Bangladesh, some of the countries in Middle East, and also United Kingdom. Now friends, what is Tally? So Tally is a trade name of accounting software which maintaining accounts and for performing additional accounting and other analytical operations such as calculations, such as trade analysis, etc. It helpful to taking a decision on the basis of financial position of that particular organization, and it help decision maker, which is management of the company. Students, these are the different versions of Tally till now the date. In this year, Tally introduced new version, which is a Tally Prime. The first version of Tally is Tally 4.5. It is totally based on DOS system where accounts and inventory is computed. Then the second version they prepared, that is Tally 5.4, which is supported Windows based accounts with inventory, and also they give graphic interference, and it, that version totally based on graphic interface. Then the third version of Tally is the 6.3, which is supported printing and VAT implementation. So in this version, for the businesses, Tally founder give printing as well as VAT implementation policy. The next version is Tally 7.0, where they give addition of import and export related features. Now the next version after Tally 7.0, they introduced Tally 7.2, where they establish new statutory compliances features related with VAT, TDS, and also service taxes. In the next version of Tally, that is Tally 8.1, where they give FBT and excise duty features and also give payroll addition on this version. Now Tally 9, where it is an advanced feature where they like to introduce in this uh, version excise, payroll, FBT, TDS, multi-language feature. So Tally can access every language we use in India. Students, till now Tally 9 version, Tally company gives VAT, value tax, FBT, fringe benefit tax, excise duty, payroll, and multi-language additional. So that is the thing. Now the next version which we learn in this course, that is Tally ERP 9. In this version, a range of reports and advanced features are included for the auditors and also gives a remote access, multiple usability of this software. Also they included multi-budgets and multi-user access, etc. in the Tally ERP 9. Students, these all our versions are equally important, but Tally ERP 9 consists maximum feature which are very useful for any big business organization such as sole proprietorship, partnership, company, multinational businesses, etc. Now students, in our next part, we will discuss about the features of Tally. The first feature of Tally, Tally is largely considered the best because it is easy to use, has no codes, robust and powerful, executes in real time, operates at high speed and has foolproof online helps. So Tally provides 24 by 7 help to their clients. We have effective accounting. The second one is it is also called multilingual Tally software because Tally ERP 9 supports multi languages. In Tally, accounts can be maintained in one language and reports can be viewed in other languages also. Suppose you are a company, public limited company, and your some shareholders are having a different languages, so they can access your reports or you can prepare them that particular reports in their own languages. So that is one of the feature, the best feature given by Tally to their clients. The next one is using the Tally, you can create and maintain the accounts up to 99,999 companies. So for one Tally version, you create 1, 2, 3 till 99,999 companies. So that much widespreading given by the Tally for their clients. The next one is using the feature of payroll. We can automate the employees records management. So Tally gives another best feature where employee management is doing for in the Tally software. Then the next feature is Tally has the synchronization features. So the transaction which is maintained in multiple locations, offices can be updated automatically. Suppose ABC company is there and the headquarters of ABC company is Mumbai, but their operational places are Pune, Aurangabad, Ahmedabad, Surat, etc. So in the multiple places, we can synchronize the data through Tally and we can maintain that data with different locations. The next feature is Tally is used to generate consolidated financial statements as per the requirements of the company. So, as you all know that some primary companies are there and most of the subsidiaries are there for that particular company. So, with the help of Tally, we can merge the financial data and create consolidated financial statements with the help of Tally. So, that is also a good feature of Tally. Now, the next one is Tally can manage single or multiple groups. So, one Tally software can manage single as well as multiple groups in one software package. So, this is the great thing for the Tally users. Then the next feature is Tally software is used to handle financial as well as inventory management, invoicing, sales, and also purchase management. Tally can generate reports and also manage the management information system, which we likely called MIS. So this will helpful for any organization to manage their inventory as well as financial data. Students, the next feature is Tally customization is available. So Tally can customize the software where suitable for different businesses. So suppose some of the businesses are related with the service industry, so Tally can customize their all the features with that particular service industry. The next feature or characteristics in Tally is that customization. In Tally, customization plays a very important role for any organization, for any business activities. Suppose Mr. A is having a service industry related business. So Tally can change their features with the service industry and they can provide to that particular Mr. A's requirement for that particular software. If Mr. B wants to Tally with their features because Mr. B is doing a trading related activities, that time Tally can provide them their type of business features. So this is also one essential element, essential factor in Tally. Students, now the next point is advantages. So there are lots of advantages are there in the Tally, but we only cover the four major advantages in the Tally. The first one is data reliability and security. Second one is management in the banking sector. Third one is remote access of data. And the fourth one is quick access to documents. In the data reliability and security, Tally plays a very essential role in that manner because the financial data is very precious for any organization and securing that particular financial data with the help of technology is main factor for a Tally software. So whenever we can generate data from the Tally, that time Tally provides a secrecy and also protection for that particular data. So they can access each and every data with the help of security marks, such as some password, such as some codes, etc. So Tally's clients are accessible that data very easily with foolproof security. The second one advantage is management in the banking sector. As you all know that in 1992, when LPGs happened, liberalization, privatization and globalization, that time banking sector carries or move forward with the computerized accounting. And in banking system also, Tally plays very important role. So this is one of the great advantage for the banking sector for the managing their whole things through the tally. So management in banking sector is also one of the great advantage with the help of tally. The third one is the remote access of data. Tally can use anywhere from anything. So there need not have one separate place or a specific place. So in the third advantage of Tally software is remote access of data. As we all know about, Tally gives us multiple user access, and this multiple user access gives a different features such as accessing data with any place with any people in the organization. So the third advantage is remote access of data. Students, Tally provides us the multiple user access. That access consists with the any place with any person in the organization. Suppose Mr. A is sitting in one branch and he do his work with the help of Tally, and his manager sitting in the other city's other branch and he also doing same thing, same transactions, same recording with the help of Tally. So that is the multiple user access use the Tally. So no need to a specific place for doing this job. Then the next advantage is quick access to documents. As we all know that when we maintain physical documentation, that time we don't have the backup copy of that particular documentation. But in Tally, whenever we create any documentation, the backup is already generated in the Tally system. So we can easily access that all documents, all vouchers, all receipts, all statements, all reports easily with one click. So these are the main four advantages we covered in this session. Now, in nutshell, in this unit 2, Introduction to Tally software, we covered computerized accounting. In that, we covered concept and how computer accounting is relevant for this era. Then we covered advantages of computerized accounting. Also, we discuss the difference between manual accounting as well as computerized accounting system. In the next session, we covered introduction to Tally software, also different versions of Tally software and features or characteristics of Tally. Friends, when we use Tally software, some advantages are also there and some disadvantages are also there. Some limitations are also there, such as internet connectivity, such as electricity, such as improper training. So these are the different loopholes. These are the different limitations involved in Tally. But when you observe and understood, as compared to advantages, disadvantages are very less. And for today's generation, learning Tally is one of the best thing, one of the essential thing for the commerce students. Students, whenever to learn the Tally, before learning or before understanding the Tally or understanding the practical approach of the Tally, you have to make sure about the basics of accounting. If you are not good in basics of accounting, possibly you are not good in Tally. I am wishing you all the best for your future sessions, which are totally based on Tally practicals. Thank you so much. Happy learning.